Open!
Why is it so angry?
I don't know.
You've been very angry about cookies lately.
Cookie pizza, yum yum yum. Mama, we need eggy. 2 teaspoons of room temperature butter.
You're stuck with it.
Mommy, where's the butter?
It loves butter. It does.
And I can't reach the eggies. Can you help me, please? Can you reach the eggies and temperature room butter? Thank you. Thank you.
What are you doing? That's not ice cream. Okay, that's enough. No, Isabel. Stop. Isabel, no. All right, no cookie. No, Isabel. It's okay. You just can't eat all the butter. It's not good for you, okay?
It's 100 calories. 100 calories for one of these.
Not for just one of those. For like, it says for 1 tablespoon. So for each tablespoon, that's a lot of calories. It's gonna go straight to your booty.
You poop it out. Mommy, can you put this in microwave? 10 seconds. 1 egg.
Are you allowed to use those scissors?
Yeah. Cookies. Mixing all over. Mixing. Time to make pizza. Time to put it in the oven. It's got a big. Time to make our chocolate glaze. Butter again. Kaboom. Mixing. Ooh, cookies ready. It's so pretty. Time for the icing. Time to decorate. We need more toppings. Isabel, take 1. More toppings. Time for taste test.
It's gonna be hot.
That's good.
Not the whole thing. Get to share. It's okay. Just gotta share.
It's a magic cookie. We like this cookie.
Just don't eat the whole thing.
I had this much.
That's a lot.
You should make a cookie pizza too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that cookie notification. Bye-bye.